Once upon a time, in the bustling streets of Nagoya, Japan, a visionary car enthusiast named Wataru Kato founded Liberty Walk. It was the early 1990s, and Wataru had a profound love for cars, coupled with an insatiable desire to make them stand out from the crowd. Liberty Walk began as a humble body shop that focused on repairing and customizing cars. However, Wataru had grander aspirations. He believed that cars could be a form of artistic expression, and he wanted to create something extraordinary that would capture the imagination of car enthusiasts worldwide. The turning point for Liberty Walk came when Wataru designed a bold, wide-body kit for the iconic Nissan Skyline GTR R32. This audacious design incorporated exaggerated fenders, a low-slung stance, and aggressive aerodynamics that set it apart from anything else on the roads. The Liberty Walk GTR was an instant hit, and car enthusiasts were captivated by its striking appearance. The success of the Liberty Walk GTR propelled Wataru and his team to explore more creative possibilities. They began developing wide-body kits for other popular Japanese sports cars like the Mazda RX-7, Toyota Supra, and Subaru Impreza, each with its own distinctive flair. But Liberty Walk's fame didn't stay confined to Japan for long. With the advent of social media and the internet, images of their stunning creations spread like wildfire across the globe. Car enthusiasts from different continents were mesmerized by the audacious designs and exquisite craftsmanship of Liberty Walk. As Liberty Walk's reputation soared, Wataru continued to push the boundaries of automotive customization. He ventured beyond Japanese cars, embracing European and American makes, including Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, and more. Each new project was a testament to Liberty Walk's commitment to blending performance with aesthetics. The hallmark of Liberty Walk's designs was its rough-edge style, where cars featured exposed rivets and raw carbon fiber elements, evoking a sense of aggressive beauty that was both eye-catching and awe-inspiring. Liberty Walk became synonymous with automotive artistry, inspiring a new generation of car enthusiasts, tuners, and even manufacturers to embrace the concept of wide-body customization. Beyond the wide-body kits, Liberty Walk also offered an array of aftermarket parts and accessories, allowing car owners to customize their vehicles with individual flair, even if they didn't opt for a full wide-body conversion. Liberty Walk's presence extended beyond just car shows and events. They collaborated with companies in various industries, participated in motorsports events, and showcased their creations at prestigious automotive exhibitions. As the years went by, Liberty Walk's legacy continued to thrive. Wataru's passion and dedication to automotive art remained the driving force behind the brand's success. The Liberty Walk family grew, with talented artisans and engineers joining the team, each contributing to the brand's unique identity. The history of Liberty Walk is a testament to the power of creativity and the ability of automotive customization to transcend cultural and geographical boundaries. It is a story of how a small body shop in Nagoya evolved into an internationally acclaimed automotive icon, reminding us that when passion and innovation come together, they can reshape the automotive landscape and capture the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide.